Alright, we got the one chip challenge here. Pocky. Heard it's crazy, you feel me? We finna try this.
Bro, I do not want to do this.
Oh my gosh. How you feeling, Ethan?
I don't want to do this.
How you feeling, Bryson?
Let's do it.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm lit. Because I've heard too much. I love spice. Full-blooded Nigerian, you feel me? So, we gotta feel this crazy spice in here. They say this is the hottest chip in the world. Alright, let's see.
Don't touch your
So
eyes.
we cannot touch our eyes or nothing. This is gonna be insane. It's gonna be so sad.
Ethan, grab some grapes.
Ooh, got the water. Come on. We might need the jug of milk too.
Those Hawaiian,
We might need the milk too. We might need the milk too. Appreciate you.
y'all get set up.
Yeah, we gotta get set up. We got 3 of them bad boys. 3.
I believe that.
Got that Fairlife on. Fairlife. Alright. Should we pour it up now or should we just wait? Cause we finna be like if we wait to pour it up. Yeah.
I don't even like milk.
Yeah.
We gotta do this. Wait, don't you put the gloves on?
What does it smell like, my boy?
I'm not smelling it.
You're not smelling it?
I'm just gonna eat it. Okay.
Alright.
It looks disgusting.
It does look horrible. This
so
looks nasty. This looks
You eat the whole
nasty,
thing
I ain't gonna lie. Mine broke into little pieces. Woo! Alright. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Alright, ready, set,
Look at our faces. We had no idea what we were getting ourselves into.
go. Oh my god. Light work. Light work. I'm a little more.
My god, this chip is mad nasty. Like
Yeah.
it doesn't.
It low-key tastes good to me, I ain't gonna lie.
This chip tastes disgusting, bro.
It low-key tasted good to me. Just cause I can already feel the spices building up. Yummy. Let's see how this is gonna. Okay. Are you serious right now?
Are you serious right now?
Are you serious right now?
Are you serious right now, bro?
God, this chip is hot as life.
It's not good, bro. Okay. Okay, let's start to heat up. Woo! Hey, y'all already drinking. They already drinking. Woo!
Bro, this chip is hot as life. This chip is so.
Oh my god! Okay. I'm gonna thug it out.
This chip is so hot, bro.
Woo! Alright, sorry. I'm still chilling. I'm gonna see how long I can get.
Record y'all anymore. Y'all look so painful.
Oh!
There's so much sad. Are y'all gonna make it?
Okay, now I need some milk. I can't even drink. Okay, we good.
I need some more bread.
I need. That made it worse.
I need some milk. You got through up for outside. What? You got through up? Go outside. Oh my God.
I wanna fight somebody. Yo.
I gotta go outside, bro.
Oh, we good. Oh, we good. Oh my gosh.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Need to put your socks on.
How you feel? Are you? Oh, this is horrible.
That's even too hot for you, huh, Gideon?
That's. Whew. Eyes watering. We like it. Oh my God. How y'all feel? It literally.
Definitely hot.
It hurts to talk. It hurts to talk. Oh my God. I have to keep my mouth closed. More milk. More milk. More milk. No, Bryson. Bryson threw up. Bryson threw up.
Oh, I need more. Nope, you can get the. I need to get the other thing of milk.
Ethan going through. Ethan going through right now.
That's all the milk except for buttermilk. So on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, this is the hottest junk I ever ate.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking, but then they were like, "Oh, well, I'll get a chip." So I bought them all.
Oh, I didn't want them to have to pay for this pain. Because I'm the one who wanted to do it. How you feeling, Bryce?
That chip is hot.
That's all you gotta say. He's even dying over there. Oh, dang. Alright, it's chill now. Gone now. It's gone now.
Oh, yours isn't hot anymore?
Mine's not hot no more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's hope.
Yours is almost done?
How's yours, Bryson?
That stuff is hot.
He's still feeling it. He's still going through. How you feeling, Ethan?
It's almost over.
I already know. I don't even know how to put this into words. Like, everybody should try this though, I ain't gonna lie. Hi. That was some of the craziest junk I've ever eaten. I love spice, but nah, I ain't gonna lie. What you rating it? What you rating out 1 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I feel like everyone should
What you rated it,
experience
Ethan?
this.
Go worry. What you? Oh my, shaking his head. He's shaking his head. What you
I
rating
don't
that?
even know what
Ethan?
to say about that experience I just had, bro. I've never gone through like so much in such a short amount of time. Like I literally, bro, like it started off, it was bad, and then it got to the point where like I was drinking. I don't even drink regular milk like that. I was drinking regular milk like crazy, bro. I started, and then like I had to put ice in my mouth. I had to walk outside, bro, because it's
Y'all walk
like,
outside.
because it's cold outside. I was like, if it's cold outside, it's colder on my, like, just get cold, bro.
Yeah.
Just get cold, like.
And me, again, I love spice. 10 out of 10 though. I ain't gonna lie. That junk had me like. I still was resilient. I was resilient. You
Nah,
feel me?
you're
like
pretty resilient.
Like I was the last one to drink anything, but that junk really started hitting for real. I ain't gonna lie. Like that junk had me like, but I was still talking and stuff like that. But I ain't throw up, thank goodness. But these mugs, they was going through it.
I ain't gonna lie. Just wait till you get home, bro.
Bro, I still do feel it in my stomach. Bro.
I ain't gonna
that
lie.
junk. That's another thing about it. It is gonna mess up your stomach for real. Like
I still
your
feel
stomach
it,
feel
yeah.
like it'll feel like radiation in your stomach or something like that. Like it's crazy, but yeah, that's so wild. Hey, if boom hockey, one chip challenge. Hey, try it at your own risk.
My thing is, if you're not with pain, don't do it. See, I'm fine with the pain.
They
so
got
I
a warning
enjoy
label on it for a
but-
reason.
Yeah, read the instructions before
Read
you
them
actually start doing it,
instructions. Yeah, it's crazy. Alright, we out.
Fingers they'll disappear.
He's stuck right now. He's stuck. This aftermath is hitting. My stomach hurt crazy.